Hello creators, welcome to the YouTuber Growth School. This is a place where creators come to learn, and once they learn, they earn. My name is James and I'm the CEO of the YouTuber Growth School. In this video, I will talk about what are the assumptions that people who are viewers think about YouTube, and let's get this video started. One of the things that many creators think is that YouTube is easy. Everyone can do it. The truth of the matter is YouTube is probably one of the hardest businesses that you can ever get into. That is not to discourage you who wants to become a YouTube creator. Don't come on YouTube expecting that things will just fall into place. There are a few luckier people who may grow their numbers, who may grow their views, their subscriber numbers quicker than most people. But what you should come expecting is that you are getting into a business that will need for you to dedicate time, effort, and your talent so that you can be able to actually scale it. So many people will grow at a very slow rate. I will give you a personal example. When I began my previous channel, it took me about 6 months to get to my first 100 subscribers. And that is a normal thing on YouTube. When you are able to get to over 1,000 subscribers, believe me, you get into the top 10% of the YouTube creators that are on YouTube. So many people have smaller channels, and it's okay to have a smaller channel. What you need to do is make a strategy around your YouTube channel before you ever tell us that you want to start a YouTube channel. At least have an idea of the place where you want your channel to go. Do you want to use your channel as a funnel to get people into your offline business? Do you want to create an online brand for yourself so that you can be able to leverage that and start working with brands? Do you want to become an online influencer where you can work with brands, where you can have sponsors come on your channel? Do you want just to have some fun? Someone just wants to have an upload place where they can archive the nice videos that they did of their holiday in December, and that's perfectly fine. The second thing that you need to decide is, what will your channel be about? And the reason for this is there are so many places that people will go to today to consume content. So what is the reason why I should come to watch your content? What is your channel about? What is your content about? Why should I even care about the things that you are doing? Believe me, no one owes you anything. If I come to your video today and I feel like I did not get enough value, I will not subscribe. And that's upon you, the creator. The thing that you should tell yourself, everything that happens on your channel is your fault. Everything that happens on your channel or does not happen on your channel is your fault. It's always my fault if a video does not get enough views. It's always my fault if the video does not get enough engagement. I cannot start blaming the YouTube algorithm. I cannot start blaming the way people are buying likes. I cannot start blaming everyone else. Once I take that control, once I tell myself that everything that happens on my channel is my fault, then I can be able to actually tweak things and go in the right direction. The next thing that you need to remember is that the YouTube growth is continuous over time. Don't come on YouTube expecting that you're doing a 100-meter dash and within 10 seconds you will become the next PewDiePie. You will not become the biggest YouTuber in Kenya just by uploading one video. If it happens, then it's a fluke. It's not the way things are usually done. 99.9% of YouTube creators actually take time in order for them to grow. The people in this country who are over 50,000 subscribers began over a year or 2-3 years ago. The people who are over 10,000 subscribers within the first 6 months are very few. And the reason we look at them is because it's a good story to tell. It's something that would be interesting to hear. You know, I came on YouTube and within 4 months I had 10,000 subscribers. It's not for everyone. So stop expecting that that one person out of 10,000 creators is going to be you. Get in, grind, work for your audience. If you have 5 subscribers, give them value. If you have 50 subscribers, give them value. And the more people that you get, the more subscribers that you get, the more value you're supposed to bring. Make sure that you know the things that you're doing. Make sure that you learn your camera. Make sure that you always want to get a better experience for your viewers every single time that you do a new video. Every time you do this, you will get someone who will be like, wow, I love what they're doing. Let me hit that subscribe button. Next, expect to grow. When you get started on YouTube, it's okay if everything is not perfect. It's okay if everything is not polished. It's okay if you don't have all the confidence in the world. That happens to everyone. If you watch some of the videos that I was doing over a year ago, you will notice that there was not a lot of confidence. Now when I stand in front of the camera, I'm ready, I'm bringing it, I'm actually making sure that I have enough energy to fit the both of us. So even if you're bored, you will get the content that I'm actually giving you. So when you are starting on the channel, allow yourself to make mistakes. If you do not know how to edit, please do this. Do one take, upload. It's okay to actually do that. Leave it there with all the bloopers, with all the mistakes that you made. Leave it up there. The pressure that we have to make sure that everything is polished on the very first day is what is stopping so many of us creators from actually doing it, creating. And once you have created, leave it out there and go start working on the next one. Leave it up there because you know that is just the start. Leave it up there, let people criticize it, let people tell you how there was no sound, there was bad sound, there were background noises, there were so many things that were distracting them from concentrating on the video. But you know that every single video that you do is a learning experience for you. If you do it well, then by the time you're getting to your number 100 video, then you will be much better than you were the first time that you stepped in front of a camera. Next, always look for ways that you can add value to your audience. If that means that you need to do a little more research in your videos, if it means that you need to learn some good editing tactics, always go the extra mile for your audience. If that means that you need to get meaningful collaborations in your niche or even outside, people who bring value to your audience, go ahead and do that. Because when you do that, you are actually giving them more than just your perspective. On this channel, you will see I will start inviting big people on this channel. Maybe I'll just invite myself for now, but you will see that I will speak with content creators, whether they're on YouTube or not, influencers as well, entrepreneurs as well, business people who can be able to tell you the journey of becoming a creator, because these days everyone is creating a brand for themselves. You want to be a creator, it's a good thing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is a place where creators come to learn, and once you learn, you earn. The next thing as a creator that I want you to do is go and start saving. Save up so that you can improve just one thing about your setup. It doesn't have to be a fancy new camera, a really good one that has all the megapixels in the world. All you need to do is start improving things slowly. And the very first thing that I will ask you to do is get good lighting. Because it's not obvious that every single time you will be able to actually shoot during the day. So if I'm able to have some good lights, then I can shoot whatever time of the day or night that I need. I can actually control the light that I have, and I can get the experience that I want for my audience. The next thing that I want you to do is subscribe to the channel, because I will give you so much more content if you are a creator and you can be able to grow your channel as well. And if you can use the tactics that I teach on this channel, you will surely get in the right direction. So look out for more videos on this channel. I will release so many more tutorials that you can watch, and I'm sure that it will help you on your journey.